Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to personalize portrait frame on the Uno application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a few minutes when the application is uploading. And new, go to the profile icon at the upper left corner of the screen. Go to the second option, the personalize, under the info button, and in the portrait section you can select another frames to your portrait, to your avatar, and just select one and click to the confirm button and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.